Hello, my name is Kasper.
My name is Emil. My name is Thomas.
The first question, what do you think about Denmark that will surprise the US? We're allowed to drink at the age of 15. And the next question is, what do you think are the biggest difference between our schools?
In Denmark, we don't have to go from class to class.
If you could tell,
if you could tell Americans one thing about your culture, what would it be?
We were very known for being the best Vikings in Europe, and some also said that we were the first to discover the US. What's the most interesting you find about America?
How much you guys are into football?